Good day, everyone. In today's topic, I will be teaching you about how to make money in an easy, legit way. 1. An odd job. You can offer dog walking or start a pet sitting business. 2. You can also babysit for extra cash if you are good with children. 3. You can as well become a tutor if you are very knowledgeable in a subject. 4. You can perform landscaping services. 5. You can complete errands or tasks for the elderly ones. 6. You can earn money online by making a website, blogging, and becoming an affiliate marketer. 7. You can as well resell your old items. 8. Make your own products like selling handmade craft or beads through an online shop or at local events. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.